Thank you to our Italian customer for purchasing EA500H7 flexible rental LED display. EA500H7 flexible rental LED display is extremely robust, durable, and aesthetically pleasing. It supports both inward and outward curved installation, and features a scale on the handle for precise curvature adjustment, improving image flatness. Quick lock clips on the left and top of the LED screen greatly enhance installation speed and ensure a secure fit. EA500H7 flexible rental LED display's power cabinet uses a hub connection design, allowing for quick disassembly and installation via clips. The LED modules, utilizing GOB technology, are impact resistant, moisture-proof, dust-proof, and have a longer lifespan.